Hi everyone, my name is Ankit Mandal and I am the R&D engineer of SkyySkill Labs. So in SkyySkill Labs, we develop products which are used in engineering colleges to train the students about drone technology. So here is one of our product, it is called the Gimbal Training Platform. So today we will get to know about this setup. So in this Gimbal Training Platform, students will able to learn how the gimbal of a drone works. So this Gimbal Training Platform setup, it comes with two wires. So this wire, it is used to program the gimbal or to do some changes and tuning in the gimbal. So if you see here, there is a USB port and we have to connect this cable into the USB port and then we have to connect it with the laptop. So in the laptop, you can see this is the interface of the software where we can do the PID tuning, then RC input and all the functions we can configure of this gimbal. And the another wire which is there, so this wire is used to charge the gimbal training platform. So we have to just insert the wire here and we have to connect it with the 220 volt power supply and then it will be start charging. And there are three LEDs there which will indicate the charge percentage. So now let's turn on this platform and see how it works. So here you can see there is a switch here. So when you just turn it on, it will take around 30 seconds to do the initial calibration and then it will give some beeping sound, which means it is ready to use. So now the gimbal is calibrated and it is ready to use. So in this gimbal I have put a dummy camera here, like an action camera. So now the whole setup is on and if you see here, I can just lift it and do the movement and the camera is still stable. So it is a 3-axis gimbal, so that's why it is stabilized in all the 3 axes. And now controlling the gimbal. So this gimbal has brushless motors and these brushless motors has motor drivers and those motor drivers are controlled by PWM values. So for the 3 axis I have set up 3 PWM generators. So if you see here the values are 1500, that means it is the mean value. So now when I turn on this yaw, so when I turn the yaw movement, you can see the gimbal is doing yaw movement. Okay, so depending on the PWM value, it will changes its yaw movement. Another secondly is the roll. On the roll axis also, when I turn on the knob, it changes its orientation. And here comes the pitch axis. So now this gimbal, it has a sensor, accelerometer sensor. This accelerometer sensor senses the tilting, the orientation of the drone and accordingly it stabilizes the camera. Thank you. Have a nice day.